guys, unexpected little blessing. I was picking up the kiddos from school. Say hi.
Hi.
And I was calling around to my local farm because I told you I didn't want to buy compost unless I had to, because we have so many farms in Maryland, especially like 30, maybe 20 minutes or so out from where we live. And so, yay! A blessing. We got some compost and now we're here. And so over there, the guy was like, how much you want to do? And I told him, I just wanted like a container, closed container, 5-gallon container filled. He was like, yeah, come and get it for free. He was like, you got a shovel? I was like, I do. He was like, if not, there's one there. And there is one right there. So let's go and get some compost. We're in it. Go ahead, dig. Go get some. Compost is a mix between cow manure, natural things such as food. It might be like their hay, it might be mulch. So yes, get into it. Go ahead. Yep, it has some cow poop in it. Look, get it. Come on. This is how you grow good food. I love that I'm having the opportunity to share with my kids how to grow food from scratch. Believe it or not, my husband actually comes from a farmer's background, and as I go along my process, my husband will definitely be more involved in helping me and guiding me throughout the way of how to do it. But because he has such a busy schedule, it's really impossible for me to just wait on him for free time to do it. So I am always just going ahead and doing stuff on my own. I just said that's just my personality type. And then later on out, my husband will come in. He's already given me advice in the background because, like I said, he grew up with his family farming in Nigeria, and my family actually doesn't have a family. My family also has a farming background, but we didn't necessarily grow up around a farm all that much. We would go and visit like from time to time in the country, like during the summer sometime, but we never really grew up farming. So I've always loved the idea of farming, and it's such a great opportunity to teach my kids how to grow their own food and what the process looks like. And so as you can see here, the kids, it was like, ew, gross, manure, but I'm showing them like this is what it takes to grow your food. And even if you go to a grocery store, they have to use similar processes in order to get your food grown so that you can eat it. This is how your food grows. So I think it's just an awesome and humbling experience for my children, and this is definitely something they'll never forget. Thank you for the compost.
Definitely have some growth. What's growing, I do not know, but we have some life, guys. My poor berry tree is dead, but I think that's because the weather has been so horrible. As you can see right there, wilting. But I'm so glad we have some life. Look, it's awesome. Look at, especially this bunch right here. Whatever is growing right here is growing nicely. And then we have some all throughout. So I'm excited. We have some life, some signs of life. We definitely might have a little bit of harvest this year. Glory be to God.